Hello friends, it's been a long time. I have posted a video here. So in this video today we are going to discuss about custom GPTs. So custom GPTs are nothing but personal GPTs. So we can say these GPTs as a chatbot. So in chatbot, how we can chat with GPT and they reply. So I have developed this custom GPT. So by using this GPT, we can generate the documents very easily. So these documents are from any tool, we can say. So in this case, AS node I have taken. So once documents generated from GPT, we can easily copy paste into our tool. So from there, we can generate documentation for using Sphinx module. So within minutes, we can see it live on our website. So today we can see that process. So in this case, if we can look at create node MD function, so it comes with a nice syntax, different font for this one, and different color for this function. So bold letters, and then short arguments. I can explain what short arguments are in a minute. So then description comes over here. So what the purpose of this function? So it comes with a nice sidebar. Then parameters are here. So in here we can see all the arguments are like they come with the description. So argument name, its type, and the description comes with the hash. Then what this function returns, if it returns none, it will show none, and what it does, it will explain. So a typical usage of this function, a few examples can be given over something like this in a code block. So right side it comes like this particular template comes with a outliner, and the left side it is like a project explorer. So we can see the same over here. Even in PyCharm we can say right side they call it as a structure, so it's like a outliner in Maya. So we can say this as outliner. This is like a properties panel. So from left side we can select any tool. Then we come over here. It's like outliner. Outline is here. Then project explorer comes over here in Eclipse. So tool we can see here like ChatGPT. In our case, custom GPT can generate these augments with the description. So this is good for Sphinx module. I can understand this type of format, and when it comes this kind of format in Sphinx module, it prints like this stylized way. So you guys like it, I hope so. So then we can quickly go over and select any one here. So connected vertex parameters. So everywhere we can see like a similar pattern and all. So I hope you guys like this kind of stylized documentation for tools. So why this documentation is needed? It is easy to come over here and check any command quickly, what kind of documentation, what function this is doing. So just like how we check over here, we can do the same here also. That's how it helps. So now let's get into the topic. So this is the chatbot. I'm chatting with GPT here. So in this case, get locator, it is generated documentation automatically here. So this is the custom GPT I have built over here. So during chat, I am going to provide these particular here we can see there is no description at all. So how I am doing this, we can see that here. So this is the tool I have developed a long back, literally 10 years ago. So in this case, AS node I am exporting, creating py-freedef file. it will take a little time. So what it does, it only extract the doc string from the function, from each function, and generate only functions within a file. So it will open that file over here. So we can see that the file is here. So we can see that it's over here. So then it opens, it generates here. Earlier I was using for auto completion Eclipse. So in Eclipse, like the moment if I type ASN and all, it comes with the documentation. So we can see that documentation will pop up over here. We can see short forms and what this function does and everything. So same thing when it comes to short arguments. So it generates automatically short arguments over here. So I found one of the template, in this case a code block style I am using less here. So it will just what are important things it is going to highlight. In this case short arguments are being highlighted. So then docstring it is going to generate. So what I can do, just quickly copy code. So copy code, I can just paste it over here anywhere. It will be easy once I have pasted. So in Eclipse it won't take that way, but in PyCharm it will be easy to so it is easy, it can directly copy paste it over here. So in this case, whenever I have updated new GPT, it will say new version of the GPT is available over here. So by using a new version of GPT, I have generated a few more things. So we can see that add prefix, it is saying purpose, it is giving indentation and everything. So I can create one more GPT chart. So I can go over here, new chart icon. So new chart, it comes over something like this. So I can take a few functions from here and directly, and we can see that there is no documentation for these functions. This is something generated by using this tool. So this tool, mod editor. So let me go over here, and I don't need to mention anything. So do this, do that, write this. I am just pasting all my functions over here, nothing else. So it will understand what these functions are for. So we can see that same style is applied over here. So same pattern it follows. So what it is generating, in this case transfer anim to, that means it is just checking joint list, joint axis, second axis list. So it can say that the destination node to which animation will be transferred. So it makes sense. Similarly, we can go for other function. Translate by, when I say translate by, so it is trying to say that translation values it is considering how much it has to translate. After translating to freeze or not, it is saying like the flag is like a boolean, it is optional to freeze transformations after it is moved. So after translation, space it is asking for space identifier defaults to 1, that means world space. So translist means any refreshing view means refresh the view after translation, so it will tell that also. So it can understand the way I have given names for flags and function name. Based on these function name and augment names, so it can understand what kind of action we are going to do. So literally 98% of the cases, 98% of the time, I'm getting very clean detailed description for each flag and function also. So when it comes to unfreeze rotation, it will say unfreezes the rotation of AS node at specified group level. So because I have given in this case group level, if it is there, it will mention that also. So then unfreeze translation, it came. We can take a few more function unparent. We can see that there is nothing I have mentioned here. So for example, in this case, I have mentioned parent says node to world. Untemplate means there is nothing I have described here. So we can go over here. I can just paste two more functions. Sorry guys, in this case it is taking same thing again. There was a mistake. Let me give so for a little fix, continue generating. Whenever some minor issues are there, I will go for this one, format code in a required format. So the moment I press it, same thing is there within the chatbot. So normally what I can do, so it is taking repeatedly same thing. There was a bug over here. Let me delete the chart and go to this one more time. Let me go for new chart one more time. So this time I'm taking different set. I'm just putting over here these functions. Yeah, now we can see that earlier there was a refresh issue or something. Now we can see get post vertex. It is taking vertex R number. So retrieves the position of the specified vertex in Maya object. Then it is giving short arguments. Then automatically it is going to the next function. So get revet. So at group level, mirror revet, side prefixes, name, parent group, etc. it is giving. So purpose of this is get revet is like creates a revet on a Maya object, allowing for dynamic attachment. So that's something. So this custom GPT can understand easily. So here group level it is saying type of the group level it has given, hierarchy level for created, at which hierarchy it has to create. So get rotation, in this case it is saying like a world space, only world space augment is there. We can check over here. So get rotation, get scale, world space. I didn't write anything over here, but it is mentioning. So receives the rotation. So once ChatGPT, Personal GPT done a good job. So it is easy to update our documentation here. It won't take more than a minute. So whatever I have done. So we can see that all the files are here. This is one time process we need to do. So after that, only thing is we need to update these files. So in this case, let us say this format, I am not happy with this format. Okay, so all I need to do, go to this place, so before that I need to edit a connection info. The function is connection info here. So all I need to do, I need to update the way I want. So line space for indentation and block. So I need to save this file. So once it is saved, all I need to do, just come over here. So up arrow, it will come out with so earlier command over here already. Okay, then I just need to run. So it's reading earlier pickled environment. So that means it is going to update only the AS node in this case. So we can see that it's ready. So all we need to do, just refresh this page, it will be updated over here. So now we can see this nice block with the sidebar and everything. This format has come in. So it is that much easy, that simple. So yeah, once it is ready, it will update all the modules. We can go to any module, in any module, any function, we can go and quickly see that documentation over here. So that's how it simplifies the combination of custom GPTs plus Sphinx automation is a killer combination. In this case, I have seen very cool results over here. So then once everything is ready, if we want to share this path to someone, right now it is only on my local drive. So for that we need to go and visit this Netlify website. So all I have to do, HTML document is created over here. So then add new site. So deploy manually. So all I need to do, so just come over here, just drag this file and come over here. So just drag over here. It will take little time to update this entire project name. You can just go over here. So we can see that file something like this. So same thing, we can go over here. So we can go connection info. So we can see that now this documentation we can access online. So all we need to do, we need to go and do some settings. So we need to go to deploy settings. So we can give custom site link for this. Instead of currently this is the path. So instead of this thing, we can give a custom name for this site. So let me go here one more time. So this is the path I can use it. Earlier they are giving I can customize this path. So right now it looks like I can't customize it, but anyhow, no issues. So I can share this path with anyone. I can't rename it with the latest version of this Netlify. Okay, no issues. So all I can do is like I can go to my website. So for example, let me go to this path. So I can take this path and I need to go to Wix website. So here this option is there. Different websites offer different earlier I have given the name something like this, but in this case let me go and just update. So in the site it comes something like this. So if I want any specific page on the loading, I can go to that. Currently it is going to directly to this page. So I need to save and publish. So earlier if I look at this page, so AS node doesn't come with some other documents over here. Now once I publish, yeah, it is updated. So now we can see that in my website it is updated. So all these things we can do within no time. Now we can go and check custom connection info. So different stylizations we can try. So in this case let me check. Now hyperlink.com, and I share this path will go to others. So if I want to share any specific this link, earlier it was coming, right now it's not, but I need to check that also. Normally we can share this particular function also with someone else, but in this case it is web page. I linked it here as a inserted page, that's why I couldn't share this particular one. But we can go and check any function over here. So now we can see nice stylized documentation is ready now. So with ChatGPT, custom GPT or personal GPTs, we can use those GPTs as a chatbots, and it's easy to generate. So in future I am going to write more custom GPTs and personal GPTs. I can come up with more tools, something like this. Thank you guys, thanks for watching. Have a great day.